Today, we're unlocking the secrets to landing your dream job at Cognizant. First, let's break down Cognizant's recruitment process. It typically begins with online applications, often followed by assessments, interviews, and finally, the offer. Understanding each stage is crucial. The application is where you make your first impression. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight skills and experiences relevant to the specific role you're targeting. Keywords from the job description are your friend. Next, prepare for assessments. These may include aptitude tests, technical assessments, or behavioral questionnaire. Research common test formats and practice. Interviews are your opportunity to shine. Be prepared to discuss your skills, experiences, and how they align with Cognizant's values. Research the company, understand its culture, and practice answering common interview questions using the STAR method. Lastly, the attributes Cognizant seeks are problem-solving skills, communication, teamwork, and a strong work ethic. Showcase these qualities throughout the process. Remember, being offered a position at Cognizant is the first step toward career advancement. Good luck and happy job hunting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. #Cognizant #career opportunity.